Hello guys, in this video let's see how to use ChatGPT as a mentor. So with this AI technology we don't have to hire mentors with a lot of fees, and it's really hard to hire them as well. So we can easily use ChatGPT as a mentor for any subject we want. It costs so much to hire a mentor, and even it's so much harder to find a good mentor. So at the end of this video you will learn the exact techniques and prompts which are used to use ChatGPT as a mentor. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So we are in the ChatGPT dashboard and let's see how to do that. Let's get the copywriting. I want you to become a mentor for me for copywriting. I'd be happy to be your mentor for copywriting, blah blah blah. And let's ask a question. What is the purpose of copywriting? So you can see it literally gives very good explanation. I know this is not 100% replacement for a good mentor, but as it costs so much to hire a good mentor and it's literally hard to find a good mentor, I think this is a good replacement and I'm using it for a while and it works great for me. And let's continue with the other prompts and stuff. And also there's a good advantage as well. Let's say if we hired a mentor for like $1,000 per hour, all right, and then can we ask a stupid question like what is the purpose of copywriting? We can't, right? I mean, it's not ethical, uh, and it costs us so much to ask that stupid question, right? We can literally ask any question, any stupid question with ChatGPT as a mentor. So I think it's useful, and let's go for the other techniques as well. Also, let's see another prompt. I copy pasted the prompt which I use regularly, and let's say I want to learn copywriting in 4 weeks with the goal of writing compelling copy for my e-commerce business. Can you create a study schedule for me? I have 2 hours per day, 4 days a week, and I want to learn as quickly as possible. What should I focus on? This is literally a question which we ask from a mentor, right? And let's ask from ChatGPT. You can see it literally gives a very good explanation, just like a good human mentor, and you can use it. Or you can just print it and put it on your wall. In my opinion, this is a really good way to start. After you getting some money, if you need, you can hire a good human mentor, and I think this is a good start for us. Sometimes it may be wiser than a good mentor. I mean, ChatGPT is filled with great knowledge, so that might possible. So this is a very good answer. So I think you got a value from this video. If you have any questions, just let me know, and if I have anything to improve with my videos, just let me know it as well. So thanks for watching guys. See you again in the next video.